Priyam, can I let you in on a secret? Of course. You won't tell anyone, right? My lips are sealed. Okay. So, here it goes. I am gonna be a father. Congrats! But why are you so secretive about it? Actually, I was surfing perambulators on Amazon last night for about 10 minutes. But after that, when I opened my Facebook account, ads started to show up saying, "You want perambulators?" I kept wondering, how the hell does Facebook know that I am gonna be a father?
What?
Okay, I see now. So, today I'm gonna make a video in which I will explain what happened to you, and with that, I will also explain what is the solution to that and how you can benefit from that. So, make sure you watch the video till the end. So as the name suggests, we are going to discuss about the most hyped up concept, that is Web 3.0. Now before we get into Web 3.0, we have to first understand what is Web 1.0 and 2.0. So basically, since the dawn of internet in 1992, when we first interacted with websites, we could not really engage with the websites. We used to check them and read the contents, but we cannot engage it. That was the era of Web 1.0. Now, after 2004, gradually the likes of Facebook, Orkut, Twitter came along, where we had an account and we can engage with the website, we can post pictures, videos, upload songs, we can comment on that, we can share them, we can like the posts, etc. etc. We are currently living in Web 2.0. Now, the problem with that is, suppose we are surfing some product like iPhone 13 on Amazon. We surfed it for a few minutes and then came to Facebook. Now, ads keep showing up: iPhone 13, price drop, discount with this bank credit cards or something like that. So how does Facebook know that I am interested in iPhone 13? So this is the problem. Companies sell our data which we have given them willingly to show us the products which we are interested in, but they sell this data to other companies for their own benefit. This leads to serious privacy issues, and also they are manipulating our interest against us. That means we are the product here. They are forcefully making us purchase the products when we don't even realize what is happening here. Now the solution to that is Web 3.0, where we don't have to give our details to the companies, or even better, the companies won't even be run by any CEOs or anyone in control. They will be totally decentralized. They will be controlled by DAO, DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations. Now, what is that? They simply work on blockchains. As we know, cryptocurrency is the future, which work on blockchains. Blockchain is anonymity. We will use our crypto IDs to log into that websites or anything which we are interested in, and we can purchase. Maybe in future, with cryptos like Ethereum, we will link our MetaMask or Trust wallet and pay with Ethereum or Polygon, whichever cryptocurrency gets the best of us, and we don't have to show our identity there. So they could not use our details against us. So that's Web 3.0. And don't know how far this will play out, but for now, this structure is looking very promising. And now, how you can benefit from that? You have to invest in cryptocurrencies which are working on this model, Web 3. Number one, this is not a recommendation, but it's from my own research. Polkadot. It works on interoperability mainly, which is the Bitcoin blockchain, Ethereum blockchain, Solana blockchain, and very other blockchains, they cannot communicate with each other. They are not compatible with each other. But Polkadot is working on a system which will make these different blockchains communicate with each other. Maybe we can transfer one coin from Bitcoin blockchain to Ethereum blockchain, maybe, which is not possible for now. So this will be a huge advancement to the blockchain industry as well. And so I believe Polkadot has a great future. You can invest in it, but not without researching in it. So with this, I think I have been able to make you understand what potential Web 3.0 has in future. So you do your research, get to know about it. It is very interesting. Mention your thoughts in the comments below, and if this video has been helpful to you, make sure you hit the like button. So enough for today now. I will meet you in the next video. Priyam Acharjee signing off.